If you're choosing a career right now or wondering where your future should go, then listen carefully because in the next 10 years, millions of people will waste years working in jobs that will slowly disappear. AI and automation are no longer the future. They are happening today. But here's the good news. I'm about to show you the 6 high-paying jobs that will not just survive, but will make you earn 6 figures over the next decade. No med school, no rocket science. These are the skills that will keep you secure in the U.S. job market and make you wealthy at the same time. Number 6, experience and creative strategist. I has taken over a huge part of design, editing, and content production, but taste and vision are still human strengths. In the United States, brands are no longer just looking for video editors or graphic designers. They want experienced strategists, people who understand how to connect with an audience through the right tone, visuals, and storytelling. Salary range in the U.S., $95,000 to $130,000 per year. Learning curve, medium, learnable, no strict degree required. Competition, medium, because most people are still stuck at the doer level. AI will handle your execution, but direction and vision, that comes from you. That's why this role is so valuable. Number 5, data storyteller or analyst. Every company today is drowning in data, customer buying patterns, app usage, product performance, but the real value lies with the people. Who can turn that data into a story, not just reading numbers, but explaining why are customers leaving, which product is growing, and where is the new opportunity? Salary range in the U.S., $100,000 to $135,000 per year. Learning curve, medium, from Excel to SQL to Python. Competition, high, because this field is popular. But the good news is, demand is still greater than supply. From Amazon to small startups, everyone wants data-driven decisions. And without data, your opinion is just an opinion. Number 4, cyber defense architect. As AI grows, so do cyber attacks, identity theft, ransomware, AI-generated scams. Every 39 seconds, there's a cyber attack happening in the U.S. Companies now want experts who don't just manage firewalls, but build complete digital defense strategies. This work might never look glamorous, but boring jobs pay the best. Salary range in the U.S., $115,000 to $145,000 per year. Learning curve, high, cyber laws, network defense, AI tools. Competition, low, because this is hard and very few people learn it. One mistake and an entire business can collapse. That's why digital bodyguards are treated as the most valuable assets inside companies. Number 3, robotics integration engineer. Robotics is no longer just science fiction. Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and several Chinese companies are already building robots that can do packaging, driving, and even household chores. In the U.S., labor costs are rising. Companies now want machines that can work 24/7 without breaks, and they need people who understand robotics from both hardware and software sides. Salary range in the U.S., $120,000 to $150,000 per year. Learning curve, high, requires both mechanical and coding knowledge. Competition, medium, specialized field, fewer people. In the future, companies won't hire labor. They'll buy work as a service from robots, and the engineers who build and integrate these robots will see their value multiply. Number 2, full stack innovation engineer. Being just a coder is no longer enough. AI is already writing basic code, but building scalable systems, ensuring security, and designing seamless user experiences, that still depends on humans. In the US, Startups are forming lean teams, where a business founder and a full-stack engineer together create multi-million-dollar companies. Salary range in the US, 125,000 to 160,000 per year. Learning curve, medium. AI tools have made coding easier. Competition, high. Many professionals are transitioning here, but the real edge lies with those who understand the end-to-end system, from front end to back end, from security to deployment. Managing the entire stack, this is the skill that will give you the highest leverage in the next 10 years. Number one, AI and autonomous system specialist. And finally, we're at the very top. There's a difference between someone who uses AI and someone who actually builds AI. Most people today are playing with ChatGPT, Midjourney, and similar tools. But the people who know how to train models, manage data sets, and design autonomous AI systems, they are the true game changers of the coming decade. Salary range in the US, $140,000 to $200,000 per year, and the top engineers earn way more. Learning curve, high, complex, but learnable. Competition, low, because there are still very few experts. Meta, also known as Facebook, gave packages worth $100 million to its top AI researchers. Why? Because these people don't just use tools, they create the recipes for the future. AI is now the new electricity. As Kevin Kelly once said, what can be electrified will be cognified, and the people who know how to code for that will be the most in-demand experts in the world. Conclusion. Friends, these 6 jobs are not just career options. They are your financial shield for the next 10 years. AI is transforming every sector: finance, healthcare, education, agriculture, everywhere. The question is no longer whether AI will take your job. The real question is, will you be the person who drives AI? If yes, you'll secure a high-paying, future-proof career. If not, you'll be left behind in the crowd. So start learning today. Make AI a habit, because tomorrow will be owned by the people who invest smartly today in their skills, in their minds, and in their future.